So molarity, what it is it's your moles of solute. So moles of solute in 1 liter of solution. So solute, remember that's a small thing. The solution is what, when you put the solute and the solvent together, you mix it up and you end up with the solution. Key thing that this is not the solvent. So just make sure you know that is not the solvent. That would matter for Chem 2. There's some units that have solvent on the bottom. That's Chem 2. So molarity of salt in water. This can be expressed a few different ways. I am sorry because I know that you like to just have one answer. This is what it can say. It can be like 2.0 moles of sodium chloride in 1 liter of water, like we were just saying. I'm sorry, it's not water, that's the solvent, in 1 liter of solution. That would be the saltwater solution, and yes, that's a normal abbreviation for the word solution. We would also say, people are like, oh, that's too many letters. They would say 2.0 molar in ACL. I'm going to use that word because I jumped to it and I didn't mean to. You can also say 2.0 molar in ACL. And then you can also use brackets, and that's your NaCl concentration. So yeah, there's like different ways to say it. So in Gen Chem, we're going to be using the molarity, that big M, or the moles per liter. But if you hear any of us saying the word molar, or you see brackets or anything like that, don't be freaked out. It means something, and it does mean molarity. And here's my little picture, because I always got to have little pictures. So we got a little mole. We're not really talking about moles, right? Y'all know this, but it's just kind of fun to have a little picture. My mole is standing on a capital M, and the poor little thing, he's stuck in a container. And in the container, we have water. Oh no. The only thing that's keeping him alive is that great big M. So molarity, and this is at 1 liter. It's how many moles are in 1 liter of water. Of course, we'd have to mix him up and he'd be all dissolved, which is disgusting. So we're not talking about that, but that gives you a little picture of molarity. So the denominator unit for molarity, just to repeat, is liters of solution.